This is from Rovsun countertop microwave oven, and color is white. Comes with a glass tray, so I think this would look cute on my countertop because it's a compact and small, cute addition to my kitchen appliances. It's not gonna take a lot of space in my tiny kitchen. This will be perfect pair with my air fryer. I'm looking to buy an air fryer very soon, so yeah, I'm so happy to have one of this. Thank you, Rovsun, for your beautiful microwave oven, and I think that it's time for me to use it quick. I want to make something quick to eat, so I have this box of mac and cheese here that I want to try to make on our beautiful Rovsun microwave oven. Alright, as you can hear that one, our pasta is now ready. Let's check. One minute. There we go. And let's hit the start. Okay, let's check. Here's our final product, mac and cheese from the brand new Rovsun microwave oven. So let's dig in. Check inside. So that's how it looks like, guys. Very cheesy and smells yummy. The cheese smells so good. Look at that. Super duper yum.